Hey everyone, Professor Michael Scanlan here, again coming to you from Northwestern State, Forkum Demons. So today I wanted to go through an activity that you can do at home with adult supervision, and it's got something to do with, well, let me just show you. Really cool. We're going to be working with crystals today. So here's a crystal from our rock, fossil, and mineral collection. It's really big. It's really heavy. The mineral name for this is halite. Its chemical composition, its chemical name is sodium chloride. So of course you know it as table salt. And this is just a really big chunk of table salt. So we're going to be making our own crystals today, and there are a few different ways that you can do it. I will be posting, whenever we put this on our Facebook page, a link to a site that you can do different variations on this particular experiment that we're going to do today. So what I used was 20 mule team borax, water, pipe cleaners, string, pencil, and of course a container to hold the water. So let's look at kind of a sped up version of what happened. The first thing I had to do was get the water to a really high temperature. I got it right under boiling. It was about to start boiling. You want to get it hot because you want to saturate your solution with the borax or with the salt or whatever it is you happen to be using. So let's take a look at the time lapse. Well, the sped up version, not really time lapse, and see what happens. So I got the water really hot, and then I started adding the borax. Okay, I had a set amount that I had measured out, and then the containers got a stir in it that's actually stirring it up. I added bit by bit. Once I added my preset pre-measured amount, I added bit by bit until the borax didn't dissolve anymore. Then I added some food coloring just for fun. I made it purple, so I did however many blue drops, half of that many red drops to kind of get a purple. Now you're going to take your pipe cleaner and bend it into whatever shape you want. You can use more than one pipe cleaner. Suspend it from a string, suspended by a pencil, and put that in the solution. And that's what your crystals are actually going to grow on. Now you can come back in a day or two and see how they've grown. The longer you let it grow, the bigger your crystals are actually going to be. So it's a very simple way to design your own crystals. You get to make them make whatever shape you want. This is actually a common experiment, a common craft to do around Christmas time, around the holidays, or whatever, where you're going to be like hanging ornaments. I've seen people make ornaments like this. So by all means, take this, run with it. Take the link that we're going to post with this little short video and try to do different variations, right? Borax is going to give you one particular crystal shape. You can use salt, regular table salt, sodium chloride, or to give you a different crystal shape. You can even use sugar. And with the sugar, if you do it right, can even be edible crystals, and so you can make your own rock candy. So there's a lot of possibility and a lot of variability here. Take a look at the different forms of crystals that you can make and see that some are going to make some shape and some are going to make another shape. And then ask yourself, why does it do that? And then do a little research. Check the answer out. I promise you it's worth it. That's all for today. I hope you have fun making your crystals, and I can't wait to show you how my crystal, my N, turned out. See you guys later.